Rotation. It is not only the flow of energy, it is also the spark of wisdom and innovation. The footsteps of human exploration never stop. In that journey, there is a power that drives every rotation of the world silently. EFG bearing aim to create the world's first cost-effective spherical roller bearings. EFG bearing focus on the design and production of high-speed, low-noise, long-life spherical roller bearings. The metal industry, petrochemical industry, mining and quarrying industry, general machinery industry, products exported many countries and districts, the UK, France, Czech, Italy, Belgium. Strictly selected high-quality steels such as Sinchen shale and day steel and so on. Precision profiling forging technology, full temperature control. Cooling process after forging to optimize porosity. No oxidation annealing. High precision CNC turning. Controlled atmosphere salt bath heat treatment for zero decomposition. Forming a compressive layer, leading to a surge in wear resistance. Physical sampling, before and after quenching, inspected to European standards. Test specimens and material certificates are retained for over 10 years. Roller face grinding and super finishing. Automatic grouping with accuracy achieving grade 2 or higher. Fully automated detection and grouping guarantee consistent internal clearance. Measuring instruments are calibrated against international standards. And MIA's smart management system enables full process monitoring of orders, production, and quality. Customized testing validates durability limits. An in-stock bearing inventory of over 200,000 sets maximizes our ability to meet customer delivery timelines. Our expertise is built on focus, and our leadership is driven by innovation, guided by the principle that nothing compromises quality. We are dedicated to producing high-quality spherical and cylindrical roller bearings and creating added value for our customers.